Hello everyone, good afternoon. Um, Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ingredients na ginamit ko para sa inexpensive meal na ginawa ko tonight. Tonight because it's already 6:19 and it's still bright outside. Anyway, so ito ang mga ingredients. I spent like 95 cents on tuna and eggs, and the rest are left over. So we have the tuna. It was on sale for like 20% off. So I thought it's expiring soon, pero the expiration is 2022. So it's still very safe. Pasensya na sa aking kamay na may ugat. And garlic, onion, egg, cilantro, and I put some lemongrass. I did, what do you call this in Tagalog? Yung dulo ng walang hanggan ng lemongrass. Yun ang ginamit natin. Ang tumoy sa Bisaya pa. So, I chopped it and then yun ang ginamit ko. So, I'm gonna show you the finished product. So, there you go. All of us, no? Tayong lahat alam naman pag-isa, di ba? So, ginisa muna yung sibuyas and garlic, and then everything follows. So, this is our result now. I don't know if it's appetizing for you guys, but it smells good. And I like also the smells of cilantro. See? Yum. And this is the inexpensive meal for tonight. In our province, we always cook this, yung sardinas with egg, but we don't put cilantro. Yun ang ginagamit namin para palaman ng pandesal. I don't know if you guys do that in your hometown, pero that's what we do all the time before. Anyway, so if you don't like lemongrass, it's okay, that's optional, pero please try that. Please try it. It's a little hard, matigas. I'm sorry for my Tagalog. Pero it's a little matigas, pero if you chop it so thin, carry lang yan. Carry, kayang-kaya. Okay? That's it for today, guys. Have a good night and enjoy your dinner, whatever you're eating. Bye!